Alright, so we got a Nintendo Switch Joy-Con in, and I think you can see the problem. So let's pop this open. Alright, so once inside, the button for the ZL is gone. The plastic looks to be broken, and of course there is no trigger. So I'm going to see if I can swap that out. I actually have a part on hand for that, so let's swap this out. Move the battery out of the way. Nyeh. 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 Okay. Unplug that. I actually have a replacement with an intact trigger and button, so we're just going to pop that in. Screw that back in. Put the battery back in. Screw that shell back together. Put that bad boy in. And she's testing.